What's up, guys? It's CJ Trades, founder of ICFX Trading. And what we're going to be going over today is a gold trade, XAUUSD. We do a lot of Forex trading. And let's just really get into this. Literally. Uh, we see on this chart here, sheesh. I mean, obviously, gold pushes up so massively. I mean, it wouldn't even be a bad idea to hold gold, honestly. Like, literally, look at that. 3,319 area all the way up to this 4,300 area. I mean, sheesh, price has been pushing. But let's just analyze this chart, guys, and just focus on how to analyze this chart because trading is really, really easy. It's just the analyzing part is easy as well. It's just psychology. It's about being in a trade and managing your emotions through the trade. That's the only thing that's the hard part. But let's mark up this chart. So what do we see on this chart here? Okay, obviously we see a bullish uptrend. We see price trending up. So let's all go ahead and grab an extended line, guys, and just see where price has been just jumping from. Okay, boom. Okay, we got an extended line. We have a valid bullish uptrend. What is a bullish uptrend? A bullish uptrend is just price pushing up. Bulls mean buyers. Okay, we see price just jumping up. You see tap, push up, making higher highs, higher lows. Okay, so on a bullish uptrend, we see price making higher highs and higher lows, guys. Every time price drops down to make a higher low, it jumps up to make a higher high. It then jumps back down to make a higher low. So what a higher low is just a low that's higher than a previous low. So this was the low before. Now this is a higher low here. Okay. This was the higher high here. Now that's the higher high. It's very simple. Okay. This is just how trading works. That's the bullish uptrend. So we see price making higher highs, higher lows. Okay. Let's go ahead and just note that. Price is making higher highs, higher lows. Higher lows. So price is creating higher highs, higher lows. Great. What else do we see here? Okay. When price jumped up, okay. I'm thinking I see where's the high at? Okay. Price jumped up here. Boom. Okay. Let's back out a little bit. Righty. We have price pushing up. Okay. What happened here? Okay. Price made a higher high here. Made a higher high, a higher low, but it failed to make a higher high. It failed to break this zone here. And what did it end up creating, guys? This simply created, if you said a double top, it simply created a double top. You're correct. Okay. What is a double top? Okay. This is a double top is a bearish pattern. And this is just what it does. Okay. One touch to here. It pretty much just equals out. Boom. So price failed to equal to break through. And instead it said it equaled out, showing us, hey, that's a resistance zone. And what happens at resistance? Boop. Price drops straight down, guys. Easy. Okay, so let's go ahead and mark this as a double top. Okay, a double top is just price touching the area twice. Okay, and rejecting it. So prime example, right in your face, right on screen. One, touch, it dropped down. Two, and it just dropped down. Okay. How do we trade this? I mean, if back when this trade was happening, I actually took this trade with the Discord. Back when this trade was happening, how would we have recognized this pattern? How would we have traded it? Right? That's very simple. Okay, so obviously, me as a CJ trades, I trade these double top patterns a little bit different. I believe in one good trade, and I add on to that trade. I add on to the trade. So obviously, we had this double top pattern. The gurus, the trading experts tell you guys to wait until it touched the neckline. Okay, let's mark that purple. Okay, so this is the neckline. So a double top is nothing. Just you'll recognize it easily. If you don't notice there was an M, it's a double top pattern. A double top pattern basically makes an M shape on the charts. Okay. The gurus tell you to trade at the neckline. This is the neckline right here. This is the neckline. Okay. They say wait for price to come through to this neckline and then retest it, and then you enter your sell. Okay. This is a bearish pattern. What is bearish? Bearish is sellers in control. They tell you, hey, go in and take your trade. Okay. Take the bearish side, take the seller side. But what do I do that stands out from the rest of the traders? Instead of only having one opportunity to trade, I create multiple opportunities for myself on these charts. So I do not wait for the neckline. If I see a rejection and price creates a double top, all I would have waited for was an engulfing pattern right here. This bearish engulfing pattern. Okay. What does that look like? It's these two candles right here. Okay. Let's go ahead and box that in. Boom. Writing. These two patterns right here. These two trading candles. Notice how this white candle, which is a seller's candle for me, engulfed this buyer's candle, which is blue. Okay. This white candle engulfed this buyer's candle, letting us know price is going to go down to the lower side. Guys, understand trading charts are a language. It's just like speaking Spanish, English, German, any language that you speak, Chinese, whatever. It is just a language and you have to pay attention. This is why analyzing a chart is great. Okay, so we get this engulfing pattern, right? Tells us, hey, price is going to drop. Okay, what do? I'm in at the retest again. I'm going to take the short. Okay, boom. I'm let it retest 50%, and I'm holding this trade right here. Okay, boom. Gonna hold it to the low. I'll most likely hold it here only because price jumped up from here. So since price jumped up from there, made a little support area, it's an area of interest, I'm gonna hold my trade all the way back down to that area. Okay, that's just one trade, guys. Now I'm going to listen to what the gurus say now and take my second trade at the neckline. Okay, do you see all that profit here in this area that would have missed out if I would have not taken that trade there? Okay, so I take a second trade because it's a great, amazing, beautiful trade. I'm risk free now, nothing to lose. I'm already in profits. Okay, take my second trade here at the neckline at the retest, boom, and take the rest of that. Okay, to the area of interest. Okay, that's how you trade the double bottom pattern, guys. That's exactly how you should trade it. That's how I trade. Okay. Let's look at more data. Not only did the double top pattern show up to tell us, hey, a reversal is coming, what also happened here? We got a breakout of the trend line. Okay. We have a breakout of the trend line. We have a double top pattern. We have two trades in right now. Now we also have a break out of the trend line. So what happens when we get a breakout of a trend line? We want to look for another sell. So when price broke out, would have been my third entry here. Okay. Price breaks out, retest it. Okay. I would have been at the retest. You have to enter at this retest. Price already broke out of the trade. Boom. In the retest. Okay. Let's go ahead and clear this. Boom, boom. In the retest. Okay. Retested the trend line. Boom. Okay. Righty. Now I'll hold this trade a little longer. It retested the trend line. Boom. Okay. Rejects off of it, pulls back up into the trend line again and drops. Okay. Yes, you would have been in a little drawdown. So what? It's all about psychology and controlling your emotions. That little small drawdown is nothing. But because price broke out of the trend line, gives me valid opportunity So, hey, let me enter on the retest when it comes back up. Okay. So I enter at the retest of the trend line that now will become resistance, has become resistant. It's become resistance. Now I'll hold that trade and I'm going to hold it anywhere to the low side. You can hold it anywhere here, anywhere price has touched the trend line, you can have it as a target. Okay. Anywhere price has touched the trend line and then pushed up, you can hold it as a target. Very simple. Boom. Anywhere there. So if you want to hold it down here, good for you. Me, CJ Trades, I'm going to hold it to this one here. That's how you trade this chart, guys. Opportunity is everywhere on this chart. So you see a double top pattern. Okay. We got 2 entries on a double top pattern, right? And then we got to break out of the trend. Now we have our 3rd or 3 trades there, and we're just sitting there for the take profit. That's how you trade the charts. That's how you analyze a chart, guys. Not only that, look at the currency strength meter. Look at the economics. What's happening on the economics? It all matches up. You will have to use confluence. The charts is literally a language. It tells you what's happening. Let's focus in, guys. Remember, guys, tap into ICFX Trading. We have a podcast, The Trader Minds Rewire. Check it out. YouTube. It's on YouTube everywhere. YouTube, Apple Music, and podcasts. Apple Podcasts, Spotify, all that stuff. Check it out, guys. Let's get it, guys. This is just easy. This is easy. Trading is easy. Let's not have to work 50 years just to freaking work part-time to enjoy our life. You can do it on the charts, guys. Let's go. Peace.